Those antique ones work really good for that.
Hi.
Nope.
Success. Got it out of there.
One's still not out, but it's tight. So.
All three of them busted.
Well, that's not bad. Showed right through that one.
Yeah. You got this exhaust manifold on. Sweet. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Got the old Mongo Man out here in Mongo's garage. Kenny, me, and Bill. We're hot at it this evening. Got this new 5.4 shoved back in this thing. It was touch and go there at the beginning as we were trying to get everything connected underneath or get the flywheel to torque converter lined up. Once that happened, though, it all went pretty quick. All the electronics are all hooked back up. Now it's just a matter of getting the AC pump back on, getting the intake hat back in place, get everything hooked up there for vacuum lines, start sorting stuff a little bit, make it a little cleaner than it is, and then dump some fluids in this bad boy and see what happens. Like I said, we've already heard this engine run. Picked it up off of a gentleman over near Newsstand. We went over last week and actually took it for a ride, and it seemed to run good. Hadn't run in a little while, fired right up, purred like a kitten. We did have to change one of the coil packs because that one, you can almost see it right there. Yep, there it is. That one was broken from the disassembly, and now we got it all back together. KJ did replace those exhaust manifolds. You guys get to see him struggle trying to get that one bolt out, but he did get them all out, and now it has new exhaust manifolds on it. And the 543 valve is sitting back in a 2006 red flipper truck. All right, that's it for tonight. We'll get back out here tomorrow night and see if we can make this thing run. Talk to you guys soon. Mongo's out. Hey, what's going on, everybody? You got the old Mongo Man out here in Mongo's garage. KJ and Bill and I have been hot at it tonight trying to get this motor back in this thing. Just about everything is hooked up. Making some final hookups right now. And hopefully we'll be trying to start this thing soon. KJ's trying to get the last bolt in.
I need a swivel socket. This isn't enough. Hello.
Hello. Hi, how are you?
I need.
All right, everybody, here we go. We got everything hooked up. It's got antifreeze, engine oil, transmission fluid, all the good stuff. And now, let's see what it'll do. Contact. Leaking anything? Hold up, hold up, hold up. What do we got here? Yeah, probably. I don't even hear a tick out of the exhaust. .4 liters. Revalve. Kind of like you know what we're doing sometimes. That was the true first start. No smoke. Sounds good. All right, now you got to finish putting it all back together. What do you think about that, Ken?
Put calipers on it. See you bye.
See you bye. How about you, Fatty? What do you think?
Oh, I like it.
All right, now that it's nice and warm here in the garage and we are done for the evening, I am going in the house. I'm going to get a shower and get ready for another day. Thanks for joining us here, and we'll see you all very soon.
Something's going on. Either hubs ain't working or transfer case ain't kicking in. Either or. It's just a little pulled out tonight. Oh, four-wheel drive's working now. It's fine. It's climbing the hill like it ain't nothing. Look. Sound you heard, that was the U-joins. But coming back from the test drive right now. Coming up the drive. Mongo man will make a video on how it went. Burning like a Cadillac, swinging like a bee. Yes, sir.
All right, so fries are done, by the way. The Flipper 5.4 made its way back here into the shop, which is way better than the last time we took it on a test drive. So now all that's left is getting the right rear tire to hold air and then getting this thing all detailed out so that it can be sold. I worked a little bit on the interior here tonight, but for the most part, we just had her out there on the main road and give her what for. As you can see, we did test four-wheel drive out, and it is working. It started out bad, but ended good. It was running piss poor, to say the least, but before we got done, it was running a whole lot better. I'm stuck. It's KJ Dorn in there. I think he's peeling inspection stickers off. That's exactly what he's doing.